Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany and I'm a cash stuffer here on YouTube. And today we are gonna stuff the 100 envelope challenge. Did you just toot? You fired. We're gonna stuff the 100 envelope challenge and I'm super excited about it. We are using all of this money in our 100 envelope jar. Oh my gosh. We've just been shoving money in here for like the last month. Anytime we had extra, my son gifted, he loves Octonauts. And then he just threw some trash in there. Cool. Ooh, you got your truck? Wow. So now it's empty, we can fill it up again. So hopefully once a month we can do one of these videos. So let's see how much we have to stuff today. I'm really excited for this.
Yes, I do see. Woo, that was fast. You gotta boom it. You gotta boom that ground. You do that, baby. Holy crap.
All right, let's count it, y'all. 20, 40, 60, 81. 20, 40, 60, 82. 20, 40, 60. Wow. Okay. So on. And we'll add. So now we'll do the tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 310. What the heck? 5, 10, 15, 20. Wow. Oh my God, there's a lot of ones. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. We are stuffing $357 in here today. What? Okay. Everyone loves to say hi to you. Woohoo. Go like this. Say hi, everybody.
Hi, guys.
Put your hand there. Put your hand. Say hi. Wave. Can you say hi?
No.
Okay.
Not that one.
Okay, that's an 8 and a 5. Can you say 85?
85.
High five. Good job. All right, so we're going to take out 20, 40, 60, 80,
Can we have one?
and 5.
Yeah.
And now we're going to find that envelope in here. Oh no, you okay? Uh-oh, please don't do that. Thank you. Here's your...
No, I'm on.
Sorry. Homeboy like unplugged my number, my light and everything. So 85. And someone said instead of stuffing them sideways like that, to put them like this, which makes more sense. So thank you to my follower who told me that. I'll change these out later. I won't make you watch that here, but we'll put them all like that from now on because it'll still close beautifully. Okay. All right, we're gonna roll again. Drum roll. And we got 6, but we've already done number 6 because that was like all of our first ones. We've already done 7. Okay, 20. I got 20. Yay. Okay, here's number 20. Ooh, cute. And we'll just put that in like that. That is a cute one. I love that sparkle paper. Okay, so there's 20. Perfecto. And then, okay, we're going to roll again. 78. 20, 40, 60, 70, 5, 6, 7, 8. I knew it was a good idea to save these ones. Okay, let's find it. Oh, that one is so pretty too. Okay, 78. All right, 78 is done. I need to fill out like a tracker so we know when we're all the way done, and then we can like color it in. Okay, roll 70. Woo, we're getting big numbers. 20, 40, 60, 70. Ooh, that one's pretty too. Maybe I just like all of them. Okay. 70. Okay, let's roll again. Drum roll. 56. And we're running out of 20s. 20, 40, 50, 5, 6. And if I run out of if I can't do anymore, we'll just put the money back in the jar. And we'll just wait and keep saving. Okay. 56. Gosh, we got big numbers done today, y'all. Those are big. Look, that one has money too. See, I need to track all of these. Okay, 56. Okay. And then, okay, low numbers. We need lower numbers. Roll. 58. Oh, I don't have 58 because I have like 25, 40 something. Okay. 45. Let's see if we have 45. 20, 10, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We did the 45. We're going to put this $3 back in the jar over here. And we'll just start saving for our next time we do this challenge. Oh my gosh. So many $1 bills. So, you know what we're going to do? We're going to be shady ladies. And we're going to steal from here. Because this is all going back to the bank anyway. So let's take 20 of that out. Oh, 40. Here's 10. Okay. That is full. And our challenge is like not crazy full. You know what I mean? Oh, that one's cute too. Okay, I'm gonna put that back. Okay, and that is 45. So now I'm gonna go through and change all of these because like, wow, look at the difference. But thank you so much for being here and watching. If you are watching this video, leave me a 100 emoji or a money emoji. Let me know that you were with it and watching this challenge. I can't wait to do this, like finish this and then count it with you guys. How exciting. So I will talk to you all later. Bye.